Right, so I'll be showing you how to put the Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra in recovery mode. So the first thing you want to do is connect a cable from the tablet to a computer. And this is any computer. For me, I'm using this MacBook here, but it could be a Windows computer, it could be a desktop or a Mac, doesn't really matter. So once it's connected, you may be asked to allow access to tablet data. You need to go ahead and allow that. And then the next thing you want to do is go and turn off your tablet. So I'll just go to that and power it off. And now with the tablet off, you want to go and find the power and volume rockers. So we have the power button here. You can see it's currently charging. You can ignore that. So power button, volume up, volume down. So what you need to do is press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously, right? So let's press and hold. Let's do this together. So power and volume up. Press and hold. So 1, 2, 3, go. Press and hold together. Just keep holding. Keep holding. Samsung logo appears. You can let go of the buttons. I actually let go of the volume up button and continue holding that. And basically what will happen is your tablet will go into recovery mode. And as you can see, we are currently in recovery mode, and you can scroll in recovery mode to do whatever you need to do. So you use the volume rockers to scroll. So volume down to scroll down and volume up to scroll up. And then to select any option, use the power button. So that's how to get your Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra or Tab S10 or S10 Plus in recovery mode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.